Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Dino Dividends, and I'm here to update you on my portfolio. As you can see, my portfolio right now stands at $22,903. This is going up and down because of the Bitcoin right now. Let's take a look at Bitcoin while we're at it. Bitcoin is valued at $9,873 a Bitcoin, and it's gone up considerably, 23% in the last month. 23% in the last month. Is it too late to buy Bitcoin? I think it's looking pretty bullish right now, so it could be 20,000 by the end of the year. So just today alone, I'm up $76 on Bitcoin. 28.6% of my portfolio is Bitcoin. Here's my all-time chart. I'm $920 up. Just today alone, $72 up. And for the week, I'm $645 up. Since my last update, I've gone into a few new positions. I would say for the majority of my new positions, they're going to be month to month and a half swings. I got into Twilio, I got into Uber, Shopify, United Airlines. I punched in, punched out of that one. I made like $30, $40 on that swing. I'm usually in these swings for a short amount of time. I'm not looking for too much profit. I look by percentage when I sell it. A few dollars here and a few dollars there adds up a lot. So I keep my swings pretty short and pretty sweet. These are, month-long trades I'm in. Uber, I might keep a bit longer. I've also entered a new position in Starbucks. I held them before when they were, 3 years ago. And they paid pretty decent dividends, so maybe I'll hold them long term. Guys, sorry for the late update. I've been looking at condos. I'm under contract right now. We'll see how it goes. I'm still working out the numbers to see what my cash flow is going to be from renting this property out. If it's worth it, I'm going to be all in. I'll keep you guys updated on that. This is going to be a rental property. I'll keep it for 3 to 5 years. The appreciation on this property should be pretty good, as it is a lakefront property. So as you can see, I'm looking into multiple ways of investment. Dividend portfolio is mainly what this channel is about, so I'm going to stick to that mostly. But I'll share with you guys my other ventures and my other investments that I'm trying to get into. So real estate is a pretty good investment depending on where you're living, what your market is like over there. Over here in Utah, it's pretty crazy. We're one of the fastest growing real estate markets in America, in the United States. So it depends on really where you live. If you're living in some rural area, no offense to you guys, but like North Carolina or other areas like that, unless you're living in the downtown areas, your appreciation is not going to be quite as much as Utah. So I'm trying to take advantage of that as well as the growing bull market. Another factor I am looking at is interest rates. Interest rates on home loans are down. They're the lowest they've been in 3 years, at least 3 years now. I'm able to get a pretty decent interest rate even on an investor loan interest. Once I finalize my decision to buy this lakefront property, I'll film a video for you guys and show you guys the property and the development of it and the process of developing it and the surrounding area. I think that'll be a pretty interesting video to show you guys. Instead of my typical room background that you see here, I'll be able to show you outside here in Utah. It's really beautiful here in Utah. Right now it's pretty cold. It's really fun buying property. If you guys haven't had the opportunity to do so, don't worry. Don't be discouraged if you haven't saved up enough for a house yet. Don't worry about society's standards. Even by society's standards, you're doing okay. Average first-time homebuyer age is 32, nearing 33 right now. So if you're around that age, 30 years old, 31 years old, and you feel like, hey, how come I haven't gotten a home yet? My parents had got a home when they were 20 years old. It's not the same as it is back then. It's a lot more people, a lot higher population. It's harder now to buy a home than it was 50 years ago. So don't blame yourself. Don't feel like I have to live up to society's standards, society's timing of getting a house at 20 years old, 25 years old. Sacrifice your cup of Starbucks in the morning and start saving every penny you can. Save up for that down payment. Try to get 20% down to avoid that mortgage insurance. I know it seems like a lot of money. Just save every penny and you'll be surprised. And you'll feel completely satisfied when you get that home of yours. When you get that investment property or your first time home, it feels good. If it's a good feeling to get that first home. I hope everybody gets to experience that in their lifetime. So I encourage you guys to save money even saving for a down payment, saving in a dividend portfolio, as long as you're saving and not spending on unnecessary things, you'll succeed in life. You'll get a house, you'll get whatever goal you want to get financially. Once in a while, it's okay to treat yourself. I treated myself to an iPhone 11 recently. I didn't go with the Pro. I didn't think the third camera with the optical zoom was worth the $300 difference. But usually I'm the one saving every penny I can, everywhere I can. I've always had old phones. My last phone was an iPhone SE, and that was only a month ago. Whereas everybody around me, is getting 8, 10 and stuff like that, keeping up with, oh, I gotta get the newest phone. You don't need the newest phone. I mean, who are you trying to impress anyway? iPhone SE was like $250. Before the iPhone SE, I had an iPhone 5, and that was a used iPhone 5. You see, I'm always looking for ways to save money. There's just sacrifices that you have to be willing to make to save money. What is more important to you? Showing off that you have money, or saving money and being able to invest in a house? Being able to put more money in your dividend portfolio and live off of dividends one day? That's a choice that you gotta make. If you like this video, go ahead and push that like button. It helps me out a lot. If you want to follow me along my journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And I will keep you updated on my new home investments and my dividend portfolio, and see where this goes. Even if I don't get this lakefront property, I'm going to be looking for another condo somewhere else. And I hope you guys are doing well on your investments and doing well financially in life. I hope you get all the best, and I'll see you in the next video.